Welcome to the Intercom Systems channel, where we bring you real-world solutions to help you secure, manage, and future-proof your business. Today, we're talking about something every business owner and property manager worries about. What happens to your building after hours? Picture this. It's 10:30 p.m. The office is closed. Lights are off. Staff has gone home. But your building is not empty. There's a delivery driver at the door, a cleaning crew scheduled to arrive, a late employee who forgot their access key, and then, someone you don't recognize, pressing the call button. Now the question becomes, who do you let in, and how do you know you're making the right decision? Traditionally, businesses relied on physical keys, basic door buzzers, or on-site security personnel. But these methods have serious limitations. No visual verification, no remote access control, high labor costs, increased risk of unauthorized entry, and in today's world, that's simply not enough. This is where video intercom systems completely change the game. A modern video intercom allows you to see who is at your door in real time, speak with them instantly, grant or deny access remotely, and record every interaction. Whether you're at home, in another office, or even in another country, you stay in control. At Intercom Systems, we've installed video intercom systems in high-rise residential buildings, commercial offices, mixed-use properties, private businesses. Here's how it works in real life. A delivery arrives after hours. Instead of leaving the package unattended, the driver presses the intercom. The property manager receives a notification on their phone. They see the driver through the camera. They communicate instantly and unlock the door remotely if approved, all within seconds. No guesswork. No risk. Today's systems go far beyond simple communication. Mobile app integration. Control your building from anywhere in the world. HD video and AMP, night vision, clear identification even in low light conditions. Every interaction is documented for accountability. Multi-user access control. Grant different access levels to staff, tenants, and vendors. Integration with other systems. Connect with CCTV cameras, access control systems, alarm systems, creating a complete security ecosystem. After hours is when your business is most vulnerable. Fewer people around, limited supervision, and higher risk of unauthorized access. A video intercom system acts as your first line of defense. It gives you visibility, control, accountability, and peace of mind. Managing your business after hours doesn't have to mean hiring more staff or taking unnecessary risks. With the right video intercom system, you can manage your entire property from the palm of your hand. If you're serious about securing your building and maintaining full control even after hours, call it today at 888-501-5885 or visit us at www.dvcsny.com. Like and subscribe for more insights in keeping your business secure.